Support CGT, give us a subscribe. Hello and welcome, Viking Bart here. And today we're going to have a look at a gadget that most of you know. You've seen it before. It's one of these spheres that you fill with water that claims to purify the air. Well, we're going to review it and we're going to test it in our own special way. First of all, what does it do? Well, this is a sphere. It's filled with water and a rotator, and because of the rotation it sucks in air and it sends air out back before going through the water. So it's the water that filters the air. Now, it also has a negative ionizationer which claims to take out some of the dirty particles in the air. Claims, but that's something we can't test. What we can test is the water. So I'm going to fill this up with demineralized water, so as pure water as you can find in the shop, and leave it out for 8 hours. Now where I live, it's quite dusty. I got a fireplace, which you've seen in another video, so there's a lot of dust particles in the air. So I'm curious how it will do after 8 hours on. See you in 8 hours. The changing colors of the LEDs does create some atmosphere. It's nice. It does make some sound, some noise, but when you're at home there's as much noise outside, or when you're just watching TV or on your computer you don't really hear it. So you can see it spinning, the water going on the side. So I might even find the colors romantic, but I'll leave that all to you. So, we'll be back in a few hours. So, 8 hours later, we'll have a look. It's hard to see anything. At first glance, I'm like, nope. No hair, no little bit of dust particles. But okay, a test or an experiment only works when you can do it twice, so let's refill this and try another room for 8 hours again. So, 8 hours later in another room, and we'll be trying to see if we got any more dust particles or hairs in our bowl. I'm gonna find a light. Kind of hard to see on camera, and in real life I have to say nope. Nothing. No hair, no big pieces. Zip. So, I guess we can conclude this test. Thus, after 2 tests of 8 hours of this device, going at it, we have to conclude it does not work as advertised. Hardly any dust particles or hair in the device after 16 hours. So this is nothing but a piece of decor, nothing else. So that's it for today. If you like gadgets, making money and stuff like that, subscribe. See you next time.